Member Belmonte, Member Sweet, Member Bertas, Member Organ, Member Balanay, Member Ong, Member Yang, Member Moro, Member Zantos, Member Kapampangan, Member Shakur, Member Caballero, we have 12 members present.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Miranda Mansumaya Group, the duly elected IPMR who complied all the requirements. Okay, thank you for coming.
Member Kumuno? We have 13 members present.
So with 13, you are for.
We go to the next item.
On the agenda, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Jonah Lamon, Attorney Dexter Joseph Pakilan, and from the NCI Regional Office. May gapon. Report from the Provincial Office, Lalo del Norte, Batik Landong.
We go to the next item, approval of the agenda.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Before you approve this agenda, Mr. Chairman, I ask that do you still need a resolution, make a motion to be looking at the presiding officer of this previous chair or no need?
No need kay super nagtulungan lang.
Mr. Chairman. Thank you. With that, Mr. Chairman, I move to approve today's agenda, Mr. Chair.
Okay, approval of the agenda, it is moved and seconded by Councilor Sweet. Any addendum? Councilor Yang.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, and good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Mr. Chair, I move for the exclusion of item I3 for further study. I13, sorry. I13. I'm sorry.
I13. Okay, it's moved and seconded by Attorney Abrogan. Attorney Abrogan. Okay, any objection? Just not the motion is approved.
And another one, Mr. Chair, to be added as item under K2C, Business of the Day, in aid of legislation, disrespectfully move that the resolution be passed, inviting for our next session representatives from the DPWH, specifically in the Infrastructure Division, and the Tambacan Barangay officials, specifically the Committee on Infrastructure, as well as the Barangay Chairperson, representative from ICPMO, Iligan City Traffic Management, so ICP
Parking and Traffic Management.
Iligan City Parking and Traffic Management Office, and then representatives from the Land Transportation Office, and representative from the Chamber of Commerce, and a representative from Transport, the General Transport Association in the Iligan City, by General Canadale. This will be co-authored by Councilor Sulpicio Larrazabal in aid of legislation. We are inviting them to be present on Tuesday for our next session. To inform them with respect to the plight of our main Tambacan bridge.
Yeah, it's moved and seconded by Councilor Bertas.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Co-authored by the Committee on Transportation.
Yes.
Chairperson. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Any more addendum? Councilor Rasawan? Alice Josephine?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. For inclusion, Mr. Chairman, this is an ordinance for temporary road closure of Paso Avenue located in front of Jollibee Tibangan on June 11, 2025 from 12 p.m. to 4 a.m. to facilitate the safe installation of pylon at Jollibee Tibangan. So, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Huertas. No objection, this time the motion is hereby approved.
Another for inclusion, Mr. Chairman, ordinance for road closure requested by Mr. Ruel Minyusa, Representative Bambats, Ubando Laya Avenue at 12 p.m. on July 5, 2025 until 10 a.m. on July 6, 2025 at the street Palao for their redemption fund run. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Sweet. Any objection, if there's none, the motion is hereby approved.
Another one, Mr. Chairman, ordinance for road closure, pending installation of the traffic signal light at the Andres Bonifacio Avenue, Miguel Siquer Avenue intersection, Barangay Bagong Silang for the installation of traffic light, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Mocha Pradan. Any objection, this time the motion is hereby approved.
Another one, Mr. Chairman, ordinance for temporary road closure for the installation of traffic signal light at intersection road of Dukes Avenue Seminary Drive on April 25, 2025.
It's a double.
So, Mr. Mechanic, Mr. Vice Chairman, because yung mga darito, temporary road closure for the traffic light installation.
Okay.
Separate na ako ang
Any motion, diba? Motion, no. Seconded by Councilor Mocha Pradan. Objection, if there's none, the motion is hereby approved.
Ang isa kay Mr. Chairman sa Andres Bonifacio Avenue, Miguel Siquer. Ang isa kay San Gregorio Pindos Avenue, Seminary Drive. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Another one, Mr. Chairman, ordinance for road closure for our Grand Triple Day celebration on June 11, 2025 at 4:30 p.m. to June 12, 2025 at 12 noon at Cabini Street from Junction Road to San Miguel Street of Intersection Road to Quezon Avenue. Number 2 is Deltral Street from Junction Road to Cariano Badini Street to Intersection Road of Benito Labao Street. And number 3 is San Miguel Street from Junction Road of General Aguinaldo Street to Intersection Road of Mariano Badini Street. Another one, Mr. Chairman, on June 12, Thursday at 5 p.m. to 12 noon, affected area for road
5 to 5, it's oras 5.
5 a.m.
5 a.m.
to 12 noon, affected area for temporary road closure is for assembly area portion road of B.S. Home Street from the intersection road of General Aguinaldo Street of Quezon Avenue. Number 2 is Quezon Avenue from intersection road of Brother Raymond Church-Free Road to intersection road of Ross Avenue. Number 3, Deltral Street from Junction Road to Mariano Badini Street to the intersection road of Benito Labao Street. And number 4, General Aguinaldo Street from the intersection road of Benito Labao Street to intersection road of Obat Street. Mabini Street from Junction Road, San Miguel Street to intersection road of Quezon Avenue. And another one on June 12, Mr. Chairman, Thursday, night market, 5 p.m. to 12 p.m.
Motion.
Magkasusunod.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Shakur and Councilor Betty Santos. Any objection? Mr. The motion is hereby approved.
Valley Street. Number 2 sa Valley Street, Conjunction Road, Moriano Valley Street. 2, Rotonda, Cavite Avenue. Number 3, Cavite Avenue. From Rotonda, Conjunction Road, Quezon Avenue. This is
Siya naman.
7 years old.
So moved, Mr. Chair. Second.
Okay, this moved and seconded by Councilor Abragan. Any objection? If there is none, the motion is hereby approved.
Last one, Mr. Chairman, resolution approving the request for the tax exemption for the vendors participating in the night market event in line with the 2025 Independence Day celebration at the Indida 15 Public Plaza. Senator Ordinas, Mr. Chairman, so.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Ong. Objection? If there is none, the motion is hereby approved.
Mr. Chairman, this is the resolution. Resolution authorizing City Mayor Fidel Provincial through the members of the Sangguniang Council to approve the request of arbitration, mediation of Katarungan Pabarangay and Section 422 adding the Public Act 7160 rules institutory account to transfer to the individual account A44 Barangay for the first and second quarter of the year 2025 in the amount of 2,337,500. Another is Chairman, resolution authorizing City Mayor Fidel Provincial to the member of the Sangguniang Council to sign into memorandum agreement MOA with the Puno Barangay Kabagsanan, Linya, Namatay to transfer and download funds to the account of the Barangay Kabagsanan in the amount of 10 million for the following project. Number 1, propose road building and road saving phase 1 the amount of 2 million. Number 2, propose a water system and zone heating to building the amount of 2 million. Resolution authorizing the City Mayor Fidel Provincial for the member of the Sangguniang Council ECP to sign into memorandum agreement with the Puno Barangay after Tibino, Orlando Lapas to transfer and download the funds to the account of Barangay after Tibino in the amount of 8 million for the Panway project. Number 1, propose road completing from Barangay Santa Ina to Purok 5, Phase 1, the amount of 4 million. Number 2, propose the construction of
Excuse me, Councilor Sakura. Ilan ka item eh? Isa-isa lang tatingin mo. Isa, moving mo. Ruban, dati ko na po, item. Paano mga lang items? Isa-isa lang tatingin mo.
omnibus motions.
Sige, lumabos. Di mo maklaro eh, number 1 next, anak.
The following application for the following project. So this after the ginuko naman sa mga state na tulong ka project in every barangay.
Maligit ang prosa o isa-isa mo. Kailangan mo ito.
Another Mr. Chairman, barangay Tikala, Vice City Mayor, signed the memorandum agreement with the Puno Barangay Tikala, Batuan, Makabangkit, and the transfer download of funds to the account of Barangay Tikala in the amount of 21 million. So I support Mr. Chairman.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Betty Santos and Ryan Ong. Any objection? If there's none, the motion is hereby approved.
We go to the next item.
Councilor Ritas.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. To other matters, Mr. Chair, I would like to pass a resolution requesting the presence of the following individual for a legislative inquiry regarding the ongoing project entitled Improvement of Water Pressure along the 6.5 kilometer section of the 16 inches and 18 inches diameter cement-coated transmission pipeline from the Butanan source to population. With this, Mr. Chair, that I request our Secretariat to please invite the owner, project engineer from the WDC Construction, Sinawiga Construction sa population ng project. Mr. Hubert Reyes from ICWS Planning Division, and DPWS Road Drive Roadway Division Head. No, special appearance. For special appearance po na dyan. Mr. Jimmy Sato of ICWS Department Head. Mr. Larry Jimena of ICWS Engineering Head. And Mr. Dennis Dumiso of ICWS OIC Construction Section Head and the representative of Technical Working Group of the ICWS Research Head. So,
Invite sila.
invite
Next siguro sa session.
next session.
So it is moved and seconded by...
Okay na?
Okay mo naman.
Naligot na.
Seconded by Councilor Yap. In objection, if there's none, the motion.
Naka-adjust naman.
Addendum. There's none, agenda is hereby approved with addendum.
We go to the next item, the reading and approval of the Journal of Proceedings.
Ayaw,
Yes, Mr. Chairman, move to dispense the reading and approval of the journal proceedings of the minutes of May 27, 2025 regular session. So, move this motion.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Sweet. Objection is none, the motion is hereby approved. Excuse me, yan na lang. Sorry. So let's proceed.
We go to the next item. Letter H, referral of business. First item is referred to the Committee on Laws and Good Governance.
Yes, Councilor Sarsas.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. An affidavit complaint dated May 29, 2025 was received from JE Hydro and Bioenergy Corporation, represented by Jubilee Lugar, lodged against San Roque Punong Barangay, Lucia Kapampangan, and Barangay Kagawas, Reynold Imo, I.M. Bunda, J.C. Balo, Gestoni Cortez, Jenna Ponson, Charito Mabano, and Winnie May C. Kabisay for grave abuse of authority, conduct unbecoming of a public official, and manifest insubordination for not allowing JA Hydro to proceed with their excavation and pipe-laying works intended to supply certain barangays with portable water. This is duly noted, Mr. Chair, with the direction that a copy of the complaint be given to the respondents concerned and that a copy of the complaint likewise be given to the members of the Committee on Laws and Good Governance.
Okay. Is noted.
We go to the next item, letter I, messages from the Alonso City Mayor. Item number 1.
Excuse me, Mr. Chair. We're Councilor Barangay, Councilor Attorney Bong Magdagan, who also requested a summons rather patient to the respondents. Thank you.
So much.
Pasumon. Yeah, okay.
We go to the next item. Letter I, messages from the Alonso City Mayor. First item, Committee Chair on Transportation.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This is an ordinance requested by Sherwin Yu, President of Joyride Supera, expressing their intent to expand their services to the city of Lidan. For first reading, Mr. Chairman.
For first reading.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. Joyride.
Joyride.
Wala attachment ordinance.
What ordinance or
Sige, noted na, Mr. Chairman.
Okay lang.
Refer to me.
Okay, one. Duly noted.
Pero no objection. Pero ang pero ang ilang list, they're asking for no objection.
Ano objection sa ilang pag-read?
I understand the predicament of Councilor Larrazabal, Mr. Chair. When it's true that they are asking for, or this organization or business is asking for a resolution for no objection for expansion, but yet we should be careful enough that we should be, their operation should be covered by the ordinance, local ordinance of Iligan City. Because as I understand, as I based on the information, that this establishment is based in Cagayan de Oro. It has no license to do business here in Iligan. Therefore, there must be an ordinance requiring limiting, specifying the rules such that other transport group would not be deprived of their income.
Thank you.
So we will pass the ordinance with the title for the first reading this time, Mr. Chair. Okay, this is an ordinance. Mr. Joy, this is an ordinance regulating the operation of Joyride Supera operating within Iligan City.
First reading.
First reading. Because if there is a public, if there is a hearing, there must be a pending resolution ordinance legislative measure. So therefore, we should first read the title. Anyway, we can change the title later on, especially so if there is no objection.
Okay, thank you, Councilor Orbanan. Excuse me, Councilor Betty Santos.
Mr. Chair, I would like to inquire because I think that there are already a lot of drivers doing joyride. So does that mean that their operation here in Iligan is illegal? So should we call the attention of the proper authorities relative to this one?
Councilor Larrazabal.
That's why you're coming, Mr. Chair. So I concur with Attorney Bong Abragan also that if this has to be an ordinance, then the proper stakeholders should also be called so that we will also hear from them whether the operation of this joyride has a negative or positive effect on the transport group. So my first inquiry is, I have noticed that there are already some existing joyride drivers. In fact, the application is there already. So does that mean then that the operation here in Iligan City is illegal? If so, what should be done about it? Councilor?
We will discuss that during the public hearing, Mr. Chairman.
Kasi namin public hearing yan everything will be...
Because they are expressing the expanded services, Mr. Chairman, and they are asking for no objection. So we will put for first reading, Mr. Chairman. The concern of Attorney Councilor Mr. Santos will be discussed Angkas, including the
Thank you.
I'm considering also this is for first reading, there is no discussion.
Yeah, correct. So this is for proceeding. Dito na lang sa ato na lang kasi public hearing kay
first reading.
proceeding.
Yes, but I would like to suggest that I believe the regulating body and is the LTFRB, Mr. Chairman. LTFRB.
Oh,
So, mas maaari po na tayo-active po sila sa public hearing right po ng LTFRB. Kaya lang, Mr. Chairman.
Noted.
thank you. So for first reading,
Item number 2, Committee Chair on Health.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This is a resolution authorizing the City Mayor Frederick Orbicio to enter into and sign the memorandum agreement between the Iligan City Government and Iligan Light and Power Incorporated for the construction of cancer treatment facility at Gregorio Pillos Memorial Hospital. So, Mr. Chairman.
okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Yang and Councilor Ventas. Objection, if this time the motion is by approved.
Hearing no objection, you heard 13 affirmative votes for this motion. Item number 3, Committee Chair on Finance.
Councilor Nasabal.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This is a resolution authorizing the City Treasurer's Office, Attorney Rutino P. Datilles, and the City Mayor Frederick W. Siao to proceed with the reactivation and or closure of the several bank accounts in the Land Bank of the Philippines and Development Bank of the Philippines. To move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Veritas. Comment, objection, if this time the motion is hereby approved.
Hearing no objection, you heard 13 affirmative votes for this motion. Item number 4, Committee Chair on Transportation.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. An ordinance requested by David Brian Mitrana, head of the driver operations for ANCARS, on behalf of DBDOYC Incorporated or ANCAS, expressing their intent to launch motorcycle taxi and transport network vehicle service or ANCAS in the city of Iligan for first reading.
Okay, for first reading. Seconded by Councilor Veritas.
On 3,
Thank you, Mr. Secretary, Mr. Chairman, good afternoon. May I remove for the approval resolution authorizing City Mayor Frederick W. Siao to enter into and sign the contract and other documents with Civic Merchandising Incorporated for the procurement of 1 unit well loader attached with notice of award, back resolution number 25-016, series of 2025, approved purchase request and signed purchase order with reference number CB open parenthesis B close parenthesis /25-016 with an award amounting to 5,590,000 pesos. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Yang. Comment, objection, if this time the motion is hereby approved.
hearing no objection, you heard 13 affirmative votes for this motion. Next 2 items, Committee Chairman on Dream again.
Mr. Chairman, resolution authorizing City Mayor Frederick W. Siao to enter into and sign the contract of other documents with Civic Merchandising Incorporated for the procurement of 1 unit well excavator attached with notice of award, back resolution number 25-017, series of 2025, approved purchase request and signed purchase order with reference number CB close parenthesis B open parenthesis B close parenthesis /25-017 with an award amounting to 9,990,000 pesos. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Yang. Comment, objection, if this time the motion is hereby approved.
Hearing no objection, may I reflect 13 affirmative votes on the said motion.
For item 7, Mr. Chairman, resolution authorizing City Mayor Frederick W. Siao to enter into and sign the contract and other documents with Civic Merchandising Incorporated for the procurement of 2 units motor grader attached with notice of award back resolution number 25-018 series of 2025. Approved purchase request and unsigned purchase order with reference number CB open parenthesis B close parenthesis -25-018 with an award amounting to 17,380,000 pesos. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Yang. Comment, objection, this time the motion is hereby approved.
Hearing no objection, may I reflect 13 affirmative votes on the said motion.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Next item, item number 8, to be the Chair of Agriculture and Food.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Highly Urbanized City Agricultural and Fishery Council, Mr. Chair, HUCFC, asked a resolution requesting the City Mayor, Honorable Mayor Frederick W. Siao, through this Sangguniang Paglusod to sponsor a city ordinances institutionalizing na katuwang sa diwa at gawa sa masaganang ani at mataas na kita or kadiwa ng Pangulo of PNP of this city, Mr. Chair. So move, Mr. Chair.
Okay, resolution? Okay, it's moved and seconded by Councilor Sapor. Any comment? So many move.
Resolution ba? Nag-request sila na yun. Second motion or second resolution, Mr. Chair.
Okay, it's moved and seconded by Councilor Sapor. Any comment? Mr. Santos, objection, is not a motion, is hereby approved.
The request niya sila resolution na ang City Mayor ng watong ordinance. That is why my next move is I would like to pass an ordinance on a sunod na pass an ordinance entitled institutionalizing the katuwang o kadiwa in the city of Iligan and for the purpose for first reading, Mr. Chair.
Okay, for first reading,
First reading.
any second? Councilor Vincent Santos.
First reading. Thank you.
Next item, item number 9.
Agenda play. At this juncture, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our incoming City Vice Mayor, Louie Oy, Ernest Louie Oy. Ano si Randy O? Ngayon ko, basta na siya. Okay,
Thank you, Mr. Chair. For item 9, resolution authorizing City Mayor Frederick W. Siao to enter into and sign a contract and other documents with the FES Enterprises OBC for the procurement of rice attached with the notice of award back resolution number 25-027 series of 2025 approved purchase request and unsigned purchase order with the reference number CB close parenthesis 25-027 CMO ICDRRMO with an award amounting to 21,126,000. So move, Mr. Chair.
okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Ong and Councilor Renan Tumulong. Any comment? Objection, it is done, the motion is hereby approved.
Hearing no objection, may I reflect 13 affirmative votes for the said motion. We go to item number 10, with the Chair on Environment and Solid Waste Management.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. A resolution, Mr. Chair, endorsing the application for the renewal of commercial sand and gravel CSAG permit of Ms. Edith Ako Mabayo on her concession area located at Barangay Bonbonot, Iligan City, subject to the compliance of all requirements of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, or DENR, Department of Public Works and Highways, DPWH, and the City Environment and Natural Resources of Sinro, Mr. Chair. So move, Mr. Chair.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Shakur. Comment? Objection? It is not. The motion is hereby approved.
Hearing no objection, you may reflect 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
Thank you.
Next item number 11. Committee Chair on
Councilor Visio.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Resolution authorizing the City Mayor Frederick Bishop to enter into and sign a contract of affiliation between the Iligan City Government and Mega Mix Training Center Incorporated for the clinical training of the NC2 students at the Gregorio Tillons Memorial Hospital, Sumo, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Pumakadan. Comment? Objection? It is not. The motion is hereby approved.
hearing no objection, you may reflect 13 affirmative votes for the said motion. Next item number 12. Committee Chair on Education.
Councilor. Vice Chair.
This is a resolution authorizing the City Mayor Frederick W. Shall to enter into and sign the memorandum of agreement between the Boy Scouts of the Philippines, Iligan City Council, and the City of Iligan for the financial assistance to BSP, or the Boy Scouts of the Philippines, Iligan City, amounting to 722,500 pesos, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Benji Santos. Comment? Objection? It is not. The motion is hereby approved.
Hearing no objection, you may reflect 13 affirmative votes for the said motion. Item 13 was deleted. We go to item number 14. Committee Chairman Boss.
Mr. Chair, I would like to move for the approval of a resolution asking the Honorable Mayor Frederick W. Shao to create a local governance transition team to be headed by the City Administrator, Dr. Darwin Muhammad. So, Mr. Chair.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Pumakadan. Comment? Objection? It is not. The motion is hereby approved.
We go to item number 15 rather. Committee Chair on Labor.
Mr. Chair, I would like to pass and move for the approval for the adoption of the resolution number 11 series of 2025 of the Human Resource Development Council resolution council entitled Resolution to approve the proposed merging of two offices, the City Cooperative Development Livelihood Office and the Public Employment Service Office, PESO, in one department as Public Employment, Livelihood and Cooperative Development Office, and the creation of the City Government Assistant Department Head of the same office. I move for the approval, Mr. Chair.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Ong. Comment? Yes.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, may I suggest to the proponent, pwede ba ka natuloy muna sa ordinance since we have a mag-create na department head. So permanent siya, if it is possible, if the author is amenable, I would like to suggest that we will make this as an ordinance, not a resolution.
I think it's better, Mr. Chair, that it should be made because the letter is asking for a resolution. I object and submit to the sound judgment of the
distinguished Councilor Ryan Ong that it should be in the form of ordinance, considering that this is a permanent one and be subject to review. Review emerging as well as the creation of the position. So therefore, Mr. Chair, may I move that this is for the first reading, Mr. Chair.
Okay, move for first reading, seconded by Councilor Ong. Comment, objection, if there's none, the motion is by.
May I dispense the second reading, proceed to the third reading, Mr. Chair.
Okay, motion to dispense the second reading and proceed with the third and final reading. Okay, second reading, comment.
I think that we have already a team wherein we're doing the organization, different departments and offices that we have. And that is what Wawai, that's what Hero Wawai is doing actually, to infuse and due to the. So I think this resolution that was suggested by Councilor Agradan will be taken into consideration. Remember, we already have the transition team, and that's what they are doing. Even as of this time, they are reorganizing the whole City Hall LDU setup in line with the national directive. That is the reason instead of the IRBD we already have the NDA. Okay na mga rason na naatay mga agencies na use ng mga departments na nawawala. So, dili sa siguro natin siya ordinansa, but rather ato ni siya yung resolution. Then, ihatag nato ni atong ang special task force na hindi nila ang gabuhaton karon.
So after ma-finalize na, that's the time nga mag-ordinansa na.
Tanawon mo pinahatutan. Okay. Kaya naman na isabit sa ato mga reorganization. Mga different departments this
Mr. Chair, I do agree, but I give preference that it should be through ordinance. And in fact, they have already drafted an ordinance to this effect. And this is the ordinance on the merger of Iligan City Public Employment Service, PESO, and then Cooperative Development Office, CDNO, into a single department. Single department creation of position relevant to the revised new organizational structure and staffing pattern, duties and functions, and responsibility of the merged office, appropriating funds thereof, therefore, and for other purposes. So there is already an ordinance. Now, if this ordinance is in need of any amendments or review, then this will be amended. Actually, still is an ordinance which partakes the nature of permanency.
So this is
Yes, that is my pleasure, Mr. Chair.
second reading and final.
Final reading. As I already mentioned, Mr. Chair, that is the title of the ordinance for the third reading.
Thank you. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Ong and Councilor Ventas. Comment, objection, if there's not, the motion is by
Any objection, I reflect 13 affirmative votes for the said ordinance on third and final reading. We go to the next item. Calendar business of the day, first item. Committee Chair, Barangay Affairs.
Mr. Chairman, first endorsement dated May 29, 2025 of Ms. Angling Karapatan, Acting City Budget Officer, awarding the calendar year 2025 annual budget with annual investing plan of Barangay Tupod, DCA, in the amount of 43,121,464. Yes, Mr. Chairman.
It is moved and seconded by Councilor Sweet. Comment, objection, if there's not, the motion is by
Any objection, I reflect 13 affirmative votes for the said ordinance. Next item, Lendo, Gabriel.
May I proceed, Mr. Chair?
Yes, go ahead.
On last motion, unless there is an objection, this is a resolution assigning the Sangguniang Panlungsod Vehicle with plate number MV OP-802-A as City Councilor's official service vehicle to facilitate the transport of City Councilors in the different barangays of the city and those officially attending seminars and conventions and other important official business outside of Iligan City, among others. So move, Mr. Chair.
Mass motion.
On mass motion, unless there is an objection.
Again, mass motion. Before mass motion, tanong, sino pa nang hira na ni Councilor? Palitan if somebody wants to use it. Somebody wants to come in.
So Vice Mayor, Mr. Chair.
Vice Mayor.
And in addition, Mr. Chair, we would like to request that the driver, because he is the current driver right now, Mr. Ronnie P. Alayay.
Ronnie Alayay will be retained as the driver of this
And that the said van should be parked in the SP parking area.
Mass motion. Any objection? Mass motion, ma. Issued by approach.
And Mr. Chair, would just like to make mention that later on, this will be discussed by the 15 councilors so that the usage of the said van will be equal. Let's say for 1 month, kay 15 man ni Kapo, pwede lang a maximum of 2 days in a month para makapag-upload kay. Hindi pwede lang, kasi kung isa nakakonsihala na 1 for 1 month, so check. But to be discussed later on as needed. Pero hindi lang po tayo sa paraan sa isa.
Anyway, approve naman. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Next item, Addendum, Member Yang.
Next item.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I respectfully move that the resolution be passed in aid of legislation and for legislative inquiry to invite on the next session the following representatives. Representative from DPWH, specifically in the infrastructure division, Tambakan, a barangay Tambakan official, the barangay chairperson, and the barangay Kagawan Committee on Infrastructure and Public Works, representative from the ICPTMO, Iligan City Police, Iligan City
Public Traffic Management
Office, representative from the LTO, Land Transportation Office, representative from the Chamber of Commerce or the business sector, and representative from Drivers Association, General Laborers Association, they don't know the specific names. For our next session, to discuss possible and urgent solutions and rectification as well as repairs relative to the visible damage of portions of the main Tambakan Bridge, Barangay Tambakan, Iligan City, and possible rerouting of vehicles passing through said bridge for public safety.
Isang Hanging Bridge.
No, main. That's why you said main Tambakan Bridge. This is co-authored by Councilor Simplicio for public safety.
Okay, any seconded by Councilor Indurong and Councilor Wiltas. Moment, objection, and the motion is in favor.
Next 7 items, Member Lansabay, Addendum.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. ordinance for temporary road closure of Bonifacio Avenue located in front of Jollibee Dibangan on June 11, 2025 from 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. to facilitate the safe installation of pylon at Jollibee Dibangan for first reading session.
Okay, in a second for first reading, seconded by Councilor Bong Abradan and Councilor Huertas.
I would like to dispense a second and move for the third final reading session. So move.
Okay, for final reading, any second, seconded by Councilor Abradan and Councilor Ong. Comment, objection, none, the motion is approved.
Another one, Mr. Chairman, ordinance for temporary road closure requested by Mr. Roel Mendoza, a representative of Banbats, for road closure, a portion of road Ubaldolaya Avenue, specifically the area beside the strip Calda, from 12 p.m. on July 5, 2025 until 9 a.m. on July 6, 2025 for the one batch redemption contract for first reading session.
Okay, for first reading, seconded by Councilor Huertas.
I would like to move for, to dispense the second move to the third and final reading session. So move.
We move for final reading, seconded by Councilor Ong. Comment, objection, none, the motion is hereby approved.
Mr. Chairman, the two ordinance that was for inclusion, Mr. Chairman, with regards to the two installation of traffic light, I would like to differ this, Mr. Chairman, because there was no specific time and date specified there, so I would like to differ.
Differ?
Yeah, the two.
Si motion to differ.
Yeah. So, Mr. Chairman.
I suggest, Mr. Chair, that any closure of road that will be taken before this August body should be first endorsed by the City Traffic and Parking Office of the world. Just that this will be monitored.
Yeah.
In a way that is already here, but in other subsequent
Thank you, Councilor Braga. In fact, ako galing nga, pila ng barangay captain po.
Barangay na talaga.
Ha?
Barangay na rin barangay.
Okay, thank you.
So another one, Mr. Chairman, for the ordinance for temporary road closure for our Grand Triple Day Celebration 2025. First on June 11, 2025, Wednesday, 4:30 p.m. to June 12, 2025 at 12 noon. The following street affected is 1. Mabini Street from Junction Road, San Miguel Street to Intersection Road, Quezon Avenue. Second, Del Pilar Street from Junction Road, Mariano Madini Street to Intersection Road, Benito Lao Street. And the third one, San Miguel Street from Junction Road of General Aguinaldo Street to Intersection Road of Mariano Madini Street. On the following day, June 12, 2025, Thursday, from 5 a.m. to 12 noon, area affected is assembly area, is portion road of B.S. Home Street from the intersection road of General Aguinaldo Street to Quezon Avenue. The second area is Quezon Avenue from intersection road of Brother Raymond Jeffro Road to the intersection road of Rojas Avenue. And the third, Del Pilar Street from Junction Road of Mariano Madini Street to the intersection road of Benito Lao Street. And the last one, the fourth one is General Aguinaldo Street from intersection road of Benito Lao Street and the intersection road of Umbat Street. And main number 5 is the Mabini Street from Junction Road from San Miguel Street to intersection road of Quezon Avenue. And on June 12, Thursday, and night market from 5 p.m. to 12 midnight. And affected area is as usual, the night market area is the Pilar Street from Junction Road of Mariano Madini Street to the intersection road of Benito Lao Street. Aguinaldo Street from intersection road of Benito Lao Street to the intersection road of Umbat Street. And The last one, Benito Lava Street from Intersection Road, Aguilano Street from the Intersection Road, Quezon Avenue. And the last one, Mr. Chairman, June 16, 2025, Monday, araw sa Iligan, affected area, Mariano Mariles Street, Mariles Senior Street, from Junction Road of Andres Bonifacio Avenue to the Junction Road of Sabaylo Street. Second, Sabaylo Street from Junction Road, Mariano Mariles Street to Rotonda, Cabili Avenue. The last one is Cabili Avenue. From Rotonda to the Intersection Road, Quezon Avenue. Summa, Mr. Chairman, for first reading.
Okay, this is move for first reading, seconded by Councilor Bong Abdalan.
I would like to dispense the second and move to the third and final reading.
Final reading, seconded by Councilor Abdalan. Any comment, objection, if there's none, the motion is hereby approved.
The last one, Mr. Chairman, for the agenda, Mr. Chairman, a resolution approving the request for tax exemption for vendors participating in the night market event in line with the 25 Independence Day celebration at the Iligan City Public Plaza for first reading.
Okay, second, for first reading, seconded by Councilor Abdalan.
I would like to dispense second and move to the third and final reading.
For the final and third and final reading, seconded by Bong Abdalan and Councilor Ong. Comment, objection, if there's none, the motion is approved.
Next three items, addendum membership board.
Mr. Chairman, is a resolution. Resolution authorizing City Mayor of the Commission through the member President Council to approve the request of the arbitration mediation of Katarungan Barangay Section 422 Republic Act 7160 local statutory account to transfer and download to the account of the 44 barangay in the amount of 2,357,500.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Ong. Comment, objection, the motion is hereby approved.
Resolution authorizing City Mayor President Commission for member of the Sangguniang Council, Iligan City, to sign memorandum of agreement MOA with the punong barangay o barangay Kabaksanan to download and transfer the fund to the account of the barangay in the amount of 10 million. Barangay Apay to Minubo, the amount of 8 million. Barangay Ditugalan, the total amount of barangay Ditugalan is 21 million. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Yang and Councilor Betsy Santos. Comment, objection, if there's none, the motion is approved.
Hearing no objection, you reflect 13 affirmative votes for this motion. Next item, addendum member Huertas.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I would like to pass a resolution in aid of legislation requesting the presence of the following individual for a legislative inquiry regarding an ongoing project entitled Improvement of Water Pressure along the 6.5 kilometer section of the 16-inch and 18 inches diameter cement-coated transmission pipeline from the Tucanan source to Poblacion. I request the Secretariat to please invite the owner, project engineer from the WDC Construction to take this project, Mr. Hubert Reyes from ICWS Planning Division, DPWH Road Right of Way Division Head, Mr. Jenny Santos, ICWS Department Head, Mr. Larry Jimeno of ICWS Engineering Aid, and Mr. Dennis Bumison, ICWS OIC Construction, section and a representative of technical working groups of ICWS. So more, Mr. Chair.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by Councilor Betsy Santos. Any comment, objection at this time? The motion is
We go to the next item, letter L, privilege R. Hearing none, we go to the next.
I would like to suggest that during the privilege hour, to those who are leaving us this council, should give it a time to have like to be an address or for the performance that they have done and what is really his in the last session. That will be on classism of
June.
at least those
May 24.
or not maybe departure. You will prepare your valedictorian address. We will stick your presence and memories in our heart.
Thank you. Thank you, Councilor Bragan.
Next item, information hour.
What's that?
Inviting everyone, Mr. Chairman, on June 12 for the 127th Philippine Independence Day celebration, City Public Plaza at 6:30 a.m. It's very tomorrow, Philippine 6:30 celebration.
6:30.
5:30 I will start the parade. And then, namin station sa kilid, Mr. Chairman, labay dito sa
Okay, punta sa una, dito sa buwan. Salud ka.
Kaya walay tao dito sa
Kami mo salud natin na. Motor!
for the program that started at 8. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. Ang wala na invitation namin na. Thank you.
Next item, question hour.
Okay, question hour.
Hearing none, we go to the next announcement.
Okay, announcement. Our next session will be on June 17. Same time and venue. Hello! Next session.
Under matters.
Yes, Councilor Kapampangan.
Mr. Chair, this is in regard to the child who was a victim of rape and murder in Barangay Boroon. Mr. Chair, it's very alarming, especially to the safety of our young ones here in our city. In line with this, Mr. Chair, I would like to pass a resolution seeking justice for the child victim of rape and murder in Barangay Boroon, Iligan City, and calling on our authorities to ensure swift and transparent investigation and prosecution. So, Mr. Chair.
Okay, this is moved and seconded by mass motion.
Or mass motion.
Okay, mass motion. Thank you, Councilor Nico.
Nothing more to table, Mr. Chair.
Okay, adjournment. Moved by Councilor Reno, seconded by Councilor Huerta.